Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The scarlet ibis is one of the most striking and beautiful birds found in wetland environments. It is famous for its bright red feathers, long legs, and curved beak. The scarlet ibis has lived on Earth for millions of years and has slowly adapted to life near water. People around the world recognize this bird for its color, graceful movement, and strong connection to wetlands. The history of the scarlet ibis is closely linked to the evolution of wading birds and the changing environments of rivers, marshes, and coastal areas. The scarlet ibis belongs to a group of birds called wading birds. Wading birds are birds that live near water and walk through shallow areas to find food. The scarlet ibis is part of the ibis family, which is one of the oldest bird families in the world. Scientists believe that ibises first appeared more than 30 million years ago. At that time, large parts of Earth were covered with wetlands, floodplains, and shallow seas. These environments were rich in small animals such as insects, worms, crabs, and small fish. Birds that could walk in water and search mud for food had a strong advantage. Early ibises slowly evolved long legs and long curved beaks. These features helped them survive and reproduce. The ancestors of the scarlet ibis gradually spread across different regions of the world. One group settled in South America and the Caribbean, where warm weather and large wetlands provided perfect living conditions. Over time, this group evolved into the scarlet ibis. One of the most special features of the scarlet ibis is its bright red color. Early ancestors of the species were not red. They were probably white, brown, or dull-colored, like many other ibis species today. The red color developed slowly over millions of years. The main reason for this color is the bird's diet. Scarlet ibises eat many crustaceans such as crabs and shrimp. These animals contain natural pigments called carotenoids. When scarlet ibises eat these foods, the pigments are stored in their feathers, skin, and beak, giving them their red color. Bright red birds were more attractive to mates. As a result, birds with stronger red color were more successful at breeding. Over many generations, this led to the deep scarlet color seen today. The color also helps birds recognize each other when living in large groups. Scarlet ibises live mainly in wetlands, mangrove forests, marshes, riverbanks, and coastal lagoons. They prefer places with shallow water and soft mud, where food is easy to find. These habitats are found mainly in South America, Central America, and the Caribbean. Scarlet ibises need healthy wetlands to survive. They depend on clean water and rich ecosystems. Unlike forest birds, they are rarely found far from water. Even when they fly long distances, they usually stay close to rivers, coasts, or swamps. Scarlet ibises are not long-distance migrants like some birds, but they do move seasonally. They often travel between feeding areas and breeding sites depending on water levels and food availability. During rainy seasons, wetlands expand and provide more food. During dry seasons, birds may move to other areas where water is still available. Their strong wings allow them to fly in large groups over long distances when needed. Flying in flocks also helps protect them from predators and helps young birds learn safe routes. Scarlet ibises are carnivorous birds. This means they eat mainly animals. Their diet includes crabs, shrimp, insects, worms, snails, and small fish. Their long, curved beak is specially adapted for feeding. Instead of looking for food, the bird uses its beak to feel prey in mud and shallow water. This feeding method allows it to hunt even in muddy water where vision is poor. By feeding this way, scarlet ibises avoid competition with other birds. They play an important role in controlling insect and crustacean populations in wetlands. Scarlet ibises are very social birds. They prefer to live in large flocks rather than alone. These flocks can include hundreds or even thousands of birds. Living in groups helps protect them from predators such as hawks and large snakes. It also helps them find food faster. When one bird finds a good feeding area, others follow. Scarlet ibises are most active during the day. They spend time feeding, resting, cleaning feathers, and flying together. At night, they often rest together in trees near water. Breeding season usually begins during the rainy season, when food is abundant. Scarlet ibises form pairs within large nesting colonies. Nests are built in trees or mangroves above water. Both the male and female help build the nest using sticks, leaves, and plant material. Building nests above water protects eggs and chicks from ground predators. The female lays eggs in the nest and both parents take turns incubating them. After the eggs hatch, both parents feed the chicks. This shared responsibility increases the survival rate of the young birds. Chicks grow quickly and stay in the nest until they are strong enough to fly. In the wild, scarlet ibises usually live between 10 and 15 years. Some may live longer if conditions are good and habitats are protected. Living in flocks reduces the risk of predation. Access to rich wetlands also helps them stay healthy. However, young birds face many dangers, including predators, disease, and lack of food. Humans have admired scarlet ibises for thousands of years. Indigenous cultures in South America saw the bird as a symbol of life, power, and the sun. Its feathers were sometimes used in ceremonies and traditional clothing. When European explorers arrived, they were amazed by the bird's bright color. Unfortunately, hunting and habitat destruction later caused population declines in some areas. Today, the scarlet ibis is protected in many countries. It is the national bird of Trinidad and Tobago and represents natural beauty and environmental importance. Scarlet ibises depend on healthy wetlands. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change threaten their habitats. Protecting wetlands is essential for their survival. Scientists study scarlet ibises to understand wetland health. Because these birds react quickly to environmental changes, they are important indicators of ecosystem balance. Scarlet ibises help maintain healthy wetlands by controlling insect and crustacean populations. They are an important part of the food chain. Their presence shows that an ecosystem is healthy. When scarlet ibises disappear, it often means the environment is in danger. The scarlet ibis is a bird shaped by water, time, and adaptation. Over millions of years, it has developed special features that allow it to survive in wetlands. Its bright red feathers, social behavior, and feeding skills make it unique among birds.